Life after your car is repossessed. What do you do? What do you do after your car is repossessed? Do you just, figure I can't get a car next month or next week? Or I'm just going to pray that something's going to change, right? It's life after your car being repossessed. It's not the end of the world. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 things you need to think about after your car is repossessed. 1, again, it's not the end of the world. Number 2, be prepared to put money down. What does that mean? You can't just go in or call a dealership and talk to a salesperson. You say, you know what? I'm ready to get into another car. I got my car repossessed yesterday or last week, or I got my car repossessed a month ago and I don't have any money to put down. Well, you're going to need down payment money. You need to have at least $1,000 to $2,000 down. Now, you may need more, but I'm just saying to you is be prepared to put money down. That's number 2. Number 3, get a cosigner on the loan. Don't judge or don't think because maybe your friend or your cousin or your aunt or your mom or whoever is going to cosign for you and they have a vehicle that they're not going to be able to cosign for you because they already have a vehicle. Let the bank make the decision about whether they're going to give you another car or whether they're going to let that person be able to co-sign for you. Or if that person had a repossession last year or 2 years ago and now they want to co-sign for you. Don't you make the decision. Let the bank make the decision. Number 4, needs and wants. And yes, I have my list down here because I want to make sure that I give you my 5 reasons that you need to know you can get a car after bankruptcy. But number 4, know your needs and know your wants. Your wants need to be over here. Your wants need to be over here because maybe in your car that you got repossessed, maybe you had leather seats. Maybe you had heated steering wheel. Maybe you had a sunroof. And maybe it was a top of the line model, whether it was a Malibu or it was a Traverse Premium or High Country. You're not able to get all those ones. So you look at your needs. Do you need a car or do you need a crossover? Do you need a 2-door car or do you need a 4-door car? You need to think about your needs. It's all about your needs right now, or all about your needs when your car had got repossessed. So again, put those needs right here and put those wants over here and look at your needs first. Number 5, refinancing. Yes, after your car's been repossessed, yeah, you're going to be in the double digits. Yeah, probably your last loan that you had, maybe you're in the single digits. You're paying that 3% or that 4%, that 5%. And now the finance company is saying, well, now you're going to qualify for that 15, 16, or 17% interest rate. And you're saying, no, I don't want that high interest rate. Well, welcome to the world of being in a situation where your credit file has changed because you got your car repossessed. Welcome to that world. But that world does not have to be your world for the next 5 or 6 years, or however that loan is. Think about refinancing. Think about joining the credit union or going to your credit union after you made 6 or 7 months or maybe a year worth of payment. Remember, I love the credit unions. Why? Because credit unions are for the people, by the people. They actually are nonprofits. They care about you as customers because they're not like a bank like, for instance, Chase or Bank of America. They're worried about profit. Credit unions are nonprofits. So just know that. You can always go and refinance later. Get a lower rate and get a shorter term. So if you went into that dealership and they offer you 5 years or 6 years and your interest rate is double digits, know that later on you may be able to refinance, getting that lower rate and maybe getting that shorter term on your loan. So I hope this helps, and I see you in the next video. And know that again, that it is life after your car is repossessed. Know that you can still be able to hold your head up and know situations happen. Situations happen to the best of us. All right, I'll see you on the next video.